a prosperous life.
Yeah, girl.
And it's like, oh boy.
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Hey kings and queens, wagwan. Now here are a couple clips from the photo shoot I did for my 28th birthday. And I didn't really have any plans on my birthday this year, so all I really did was just to shoot, and I just wanted to share as much of it as I could with you guys. You know, it's not a form of vlog, it's more so just showing you guys how, you know, the concept behind the shoot was and the energy behind the shoot. I really do enjoy sharing these little personal things with you, so I hope you guys enjoy these little clips. Even though it wasn't an official vlog, don't forget to show us all some love. All our info is in the description bar. Thank you guys so much as always for the love and support, and if you want, you can wish me happy birthday in the comment section. All right, thank you guys. Mwah. Enough love.
No, they have
No?
so I know say I put the band in a plantation. The stabbing tool could have worked. Yo, when you come in, I gonna go pop it with you. No, we're not. This is very dramatic. It is. Very dramatic. Oh, you're killing trees. She said she need green stuff, right? It look green now?
Alright,
It's me next year, make it work.
Yeah. Funny part about that.
This is not good.
The funny part about that footage here. You know, ad-lib.
Commentary with the inner. Me at
Yeah.
that's me in the background. Yeah, watch them.
Hey, now, see her.
I didn't know me.
Yeah, must mind the bees.
Exactly. Alright, honey. Yeah, girl. See like that. Take out your face out and shadow the little bit.
You have to step in at the light. You have to step in. Come over a little. Like an inch, yeah. Sitting around, you know. Don't forget to make a record. For your blouse. You are a mess, Janelle.
I am always a mess. Girl, no, I have nothing for me. See the girls.
Father.
You know the commentary on your video is gonna be so funny. See that? Let me show.
Bitch! Ow! I told y'all. I told you. This is Janelle, guys, high school friends. We have not seen each other in ages since till the other day.
I'm gonna let him soon come back.
Oh wow. Okay.
You try to do that. Just up on this one.
Ah!
It's here.
And y'all know Cam, Dawn's representing. Okay. So she's creative directing for me today, and she's doing an amazing job. So they want like a banana walk type situation, guys. You see me? Well, you know, we've been doing a thing. You understand? Bare banana tree. Yeah, blonde blocks on deck. Honey blonde, more like a brown. Okay, so this is number 30. And these are Nubian locks. Come them out of them thing in the background right there. So now I visualized this idea for a long time. From the first time I come down here, come shoot, I tell myself someone don't want to shoot down here. And but they just vision the whole banana tree vibe. So camera kind of make things come to life. They might set up some tool around the sofa, do a little thing. You know what else gonna make that shoot epic, guys? Okay. So before I get any further into the video, if you guys have not hit the subscribe button already,
You need to like, comment, share, and subscribe, people. Like what are you doing?
she
with your
said
life?
it, okay?
You don't need to do anything more.
Thumbs up the video. Hit the
If you
subscribe
like
button.
me,
Like it.
Video.
Yeah.
Get 1,000 likes, we start a YouTube.
Yeah, girl. Yo, I've been wanting her to start a YouTube for the longest time.
Not period.
Period, poo.
She said period.
Period.
Mary had a little lamb.
That's on Mary had a little lamb, okay?
Period.
Oh snap! Them a come up.
Right, but we still know we want to take them. Where you get the part? Because the majority of it was just hand gestures.
Stand up. Pause. One of your cute far off poses that you do when you look away. Exactly.
Yeah, girl. That's gonna be my vlog intro. And then the intro will come in. It's gonna be intro to that vlog, yeah. We could do one boobies too. You know what? Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed these clips. Everybody has signed off. RENZO, Dutchwereld. I'm gonna sign off every time we say that. Dutchwereld, guys. Follow him on Instagram. His link is going to be in the description. Yo, you know that we copyright strike. Me turn this down. We're not able. We're trying to get a little YouTube money. So anyways, Dutchwereld on Instagram, and I'm gonna put the friends why y'all laugh. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna understand. Dutchwereld, right? And then Dawn's-ray is Camille. Alright, so you guys hold on, go on again now. AUNZRI. Right, Dawn's-ray, and I'm gonna have all the links in the description bar below. Jonelle. Very stressful in this panoramic.
At this point, kind of. Like, we don't have a long time. Like, we don't live in that world. I'm in the next dimension. So, you can't catch me
Over there.
I don't know who not catch me, but they not catch me here.
Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Y'all already know you can wish me happy birthday in the comment section down below. And I'm going to have an Amazon wish list in the description bar if you guys want to get me anything. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you want to donate to my PayPal, the link will be in the description bar as well. And the last person who donated, thank you very much. I don't know you, but thank you, sis. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Bye.